अपनी फिटनेस के लिए एक छोटा सा स्टेप, सब्सक्राइब करते हुए बेल आइकन दबाना मत भूलिएगा।
Low plank leg lifts. Alright, so let me show you the moves today. You have to go into the low plank, alright, head to toe straight line, and then lift your leg slowly up, hold it up for a few seconds, or you can hold it up for half a second, and then go on to the next leg. Keep the straight line, make sure you keep the straight line from head to toe, alright, and this is awesome. This is a very good move. You're just squeezing your butt, your glutes are working. Take a break if you need it, but you can push yourself. Come on, push, 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 push. This is a fantastic move for abs, for your butt, for your arms. Everything is working, and mostly these are all abs exercises, real good exercises for core. The high plank, and you do the punches. Alright, punches in the front. Alright, punch like this, count for yourself, and punches, punches, and punches. Don't higher, push, push, awesome, higher, push, 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 power, 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 hit it harder, 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 awesome, awesome, that's the power I want, awesome, awesome, count for yourself, where are you? 25. Awesome, 25, she's a strong girl, put your butt down, put your butt down, awesome, awesome, this is a fantastic move to work on your full body, I guess, is single leg drops, alright, I'll just quickly show you what to do with this. Just lie down flat on your back, okay, both legs up 90 degree, and single leg drop. Drop it, take it up, and drop the other leg, and bring it back. Go slow, go slow, go slow. Oh, awesome, awesome. Try to keep the legs straight. Keep breathing, keep breathing. So this is what you need to do. Go slow and control. Pace it up. Alright, exhale while you come out. Go slow, don't drop. Whenever you feel you're dropping the form, don't take your break. But push your boundaries, push your limits. That's what we need. अगर आपको ये वर्कआउट सीरीज पसंद आ रही है तो कमेंट करें और अपने व्हाट्सएप ग्रुप पे अपने फ्रेंड्स एंड फैमिली के साथ में शेयर करें. Till then, stay home, stay fit. See you soon.